This bike is absolutely filthy. Let's give it a wash. So after an hour's ride a few days ago, it is left absolutely disgusting. Let's give her a clean. Let's give it a little rinse off with a bit of water first. Yeah, I'm just agitating everything just to try and get some of all that grime and crap off. Luckily there's not a huge amount to this bike, so actually cleaning it isn't too much of a hard job. Just a lot of bits. So personally, the way I like to wash this bike is I have my wash and wax, and rather than mixing it up in a big bucket and soaking the bike, I'll spray the bike down and then just put a small amount of this on my sponge and just work it into the bike, and then just rinse it off. So I always find that it's, just gives me a bit of a better finish. When I've had modern bikes, I've just put it in a bucket and washed it that way, but on this bike, this tends to be the better way for me to wash it. Just a tiny little bit there, bit of water from the hose pipe, and work it in. Hey mate, you alright? And then just grab a microfiber cloth, just give it a bit of a dry. And then something I like to do afterwards is my Meguiar's ceramic wax. Just spray it on, wipe it over, just gives it a bit of a protective layer then. Nice ceramic wax, stops the water from puddling on it, and yeah, hopefully it takes away a bit of dirt. I like this stuff because it is literally just wax on, wax off, I suppose. Karate. And it can be applied wet as well, so you don't even have to really properly dry the bike or car. If you're wondering what that is, by the way, that is for a USB charger that I put on the handlebars. So yes, don't worry, it's not a dangling broken wire. This stuff is, and that isn't. That's it. Pretty much done. Now the real test is to get the keys and see if it actually starts up after me saying that's a safe way of washing your bike. Hopefully it didn't get any of it, it's too wet. We've got power. There you go, it works. That is a safe way of doing it. As you can see, way cleaner. So one other thing I do like to do is just use a little bit of WD-40 silicone spray just to protect some of the electrics. Just gives it a nice waterproof coating. That's it, done. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe.